15 seconds left. Tiny, Justin, Chris, Ken, Jason, Simon, Buckshoy, Alex, Doug, and Justin. It would appear that 1 and 2 have settled. Watch out, leaders coming through, leaders coming through, leaders coming through. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, guys. Chrome car in second, Chrome car in second. Watch out, watch out. Thank you for your patience. Ken, Jason, Alex, Justin, Doug, you're done. Tiny, you're done. Justin, you're done. Chris, you're done. And Bok Choi, you're done. That is a race. All stop. Not so bad, I guess. Tiny with the win. All right, Euro truck. Okay, once again, we need 4 marshals out here for these guys. And then we're going to need all hands on deck for the next 2 races.
All right, let's line them up. Line them up, line them up. Basil's gone for the day, so you only 3 trucks. Let's do it, line them up. Line them up. So Stephen, Kevin, and Lee, you can start from the wall there, you guys like?
All right, guys. It's a 3 truck race, 3 pony, no jumps. Kevin Lynch wants to go for a 20-lap race. I'm going to throw no tricks at you guys. This is going to be straight up racing. Let's get those trucks going. Doug is ready. He's clearing off the launch pad. We have enough marshals for this one. If you want to help us for the next one. Corners ready, drivers ready, Euro truck. Amen. Race 7 of the day. Here we go. Less than 5. Oh, yes. Even when we're racing, it's a little bit dirty. Oh, Steven wants blood. Kevin, you're working it down. You're at 19,501. Don't worry, Steven's coming. Steven just cracked a 15.8. Kevin Kevin's at a 16.3. Lee with an 18.7. Up next, racing touring stock A main. You guys know who you are. Once again, we'll need all hands on deck for marshals. Kevin Lynch down to a 15.8. So equal hot laps. This is Spec Racing, 19.502, Kevin. 19.502. You want to carry some more speed and tighten up those lines. Try to smooth out your corners, don't take them so tight. Keep the corner speed going, keep the four wheels down. There she goes. Here we go, race on. The 20's out the door now. Let's have some fun. We just need people to bring them out and not be afraid to trash them. I mean, that's what they're for. Yeah, well, people put in more time on the touring car. They don't seem to care up there. 35 seconds left. Steven Yoshida out front. Kevin Lynch right behind him, 1 and 2, 0.8 of a second. Here they go through the Oregon Square. Into the chicane they go. Round and round into the short chute. Follow through to the straightaway. Steven Yoshida starting to pull away a bit. Kevin's got the horsepower. Reel him right back in.
The race is over.
Race is over. Lee, you're done. Steven, you're done. Kevin, you're done. 19.502, the pace for Steven. That's about as close as it's going to get. All right, race 8, touring stock. A main. What have we done? Go ahead, check him in, guys. I'm going to change the battery.